How to create email templates in Outlook. So I'm going to show you how you can create email templates and save it in your computer, or you can save in your Outlook also, and you can use as per your requirement. So guys, let's start with the video. So before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let me open my Outlook here. Okay, and there is a two method you can use to create or save the Outlook templates. So I'm going to show you one by one. So first method, just click on new emails. Okay, and you can, if you're using more than one email ID or mailbox, you can switch the mailbox here. I just switch it to the this one. Now you can write the your email template subject line. So I just write the subscribe my channel. Please ignore the spelling mistakes. Dear all, kindly watch my video, and if you liked it, kindly do subscribe and motivate me. Okay, so this is the templates I have done. You can create the template as per your requirements. So now what we can do, go to this file, go to the save as, and here you can select the folder where you want to save, but I suggest you just keep the by default folder here, and you can rename your file, and here just click on file type and save as Outlook templates. So it will be saved in Outlook Microsoft templates by default, and just you can rename it and just keep it the location same Microsoft templates, and just click on save. So this is my template name is subscribe my channel. Just save it. Now I've just okay. So now if you want to reuse this templates, go to the new. Okay, don't go new, go to the new item, go to the more items, and here you have to find choose from, and here just click the Outlook templates. Okay, so use the templates in file system, and this is we created. Just select it and just open it. It will be open, and you can send it to anyone. Okay, so subject line has not saved. Okay, so for that I will show you another method. Another method is you can create the quick steps. Under the quick steps, under the home, you can create the new quick steps, and just or go to the create new, and you can rename your steps. So I just rename like my templates for sales team. Okay, we have to choose the action. So action is new mail, or you can set for forward or reply. I set for new mail. Go to the more option. Now here you can preload it your subject line. Kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, this is subject line. You can set flags if you want, and set the importance. Now this is the email body. Okay, you can also add the action if you want. There is a lots of action you can add. Okay, so same action you can add another option. Okay, so now just I delete the action. This is done. You can add you can also add preloaded email ID in 2cc whatever you want. So I write in 2 only. So I okay, this one. If all done, you can also create the shortcuts keys. So I create shortcuts key for that, control plus shift plus 1, and just a finish. Okay, so I have created. Now in this folder you can see the new shortcut has been created. You can double click on it, and this template will be open. You can send it to anyone, or you can also enter your shortcut key to open this folder. So shortcut key is control plus shift plus 1. Okay, control shift plus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can enter the shortcut keys, or you just open like this and you can send the email. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.